Hi everyone, this is Linda with yet another recipe, and today I'm making chicken hand pie. So we'll start with our pie crust. In a bowl we add our flour, salt, baking powder and nutmeg for flavor. We'll whisk everything together for evenly distribution. Then in the flour we're going to add cold butter, and I'm cutting it with a pastry blender. You can do that with your fingers as well. So when everything is mixed, I'm now going to add very cold water, and we're going to mix this to form a dough or a ball. And so I'm using the fork to just mix the water and the flour together, and just going with my fingers to bring everything together to form a ball. So that's what you want to have. And I like to put it in a bag, flatten it a little bit into a disc, and put it in the fridge to rest from 1 hour till the next day. When that is done and resting, we are now going to make our chicken filling. So in the pan, I have olive oil and chopped onions, and I'm just adding some chopped carrot as well, and cook it until it's tender. Then into it, I'm going to add freshly chopped chicken breast. You can use ground chicken, any of them, it will work. So you cook it until it's well cooked and add a little bit of seasoning. Hi there, if you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay and like and subscribe and become a friend on this channel. Thank you to all my subscribers as well. So whilst the filling is cooking, I have a lot of juices in it, so I'm adding a little bit of cornflour mixed with water so that it will help thicken it. So let it be on fire for about a minute or two till it's well thickened and it's all blended. So my filling has cooled down already, and my pastry crust or pie crust is also ready. So I'm now going to put everything together and make the hand pies. So first I'm going to roll my pie crust, and I like to roll and move it around so it doesn't stick. And I'm using this pie cutter right here. You can use any circle cutter and the size according to the size that you prefer. And I'll use the same thing to mold it, but I'll also show you, if you don't have this, another way that you can mold it without the mold. So you just fill with a tablespoon of the filling and just mold it as you go, as simple as that. And if you don't have the mold, this is how you do it. I first start with a little bit of water around the edges, then add the filling, a tablespoon at a time. Then just fold it over, press it down, and create a seal at the edge. And for this, I will use both the tip of the fork and the tongs as well, as you can see I'm doing right here. So after this, I'll just transfer them into baking sheets, and you want a bit of interval between them since they're going to expand a little bit. So now I'm just creating some holes on top of it to help the steam escape while it's baking. And I'm going to just brush it with egg and milk whipped together. I'm going to bake in a preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, depending on the temperature of your oven. So this is our chicken hand pie. and flaky and delicious. I hope you guys like it, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.